Here are the statements that we're going to be processing today. These are a fairly unique format. You can see here that the balance, there was no room, however it was printed or created, not enough room in that balance column, and the balance has therefore moved over just the pennies into that next line. This obviously needs to be put right, and then the data gets extracted before the data is extracted into Excel. The way that we're going to do this is use a statement template within StatementReader. Actually, you'll need to contact the StatementReader support team for them to create a template that would deal with this formatting issue. So you can do this from the file menu. You can request bank layout, and the team will get back to you with a structure and some very quick instructions to follow. Once you've got the template, it will show up within a section at the very bottom of the country list here. You click Go to click Browse to select the document that you're processing, and you click Go. Because the template has been configured to make that change, the balances have come through correctly with the pennies, and the dates haven't been affected by the pennies being in that column. You see within StatementReader there's the accuracy report of 100%, and in Excel we haven't got any shadings, orange for potential issues or green for corrected problems. So we've got that data within Excel ready to go.